the most important part when it comes to achieving something or achieving any goal you want to achieve. Any goal, you can achieve any goal if you, any goal, I would say. Okay, if you want to be a good content creator, if you want to become a good dancer, singer, musician, swimmer, content creator, this that, businessman, और ठेला भी लगा है ना तुमको पानी पूरी का भी. If you lack in this, if you lack this one thing, I would say you will never become this one. You will never become successful in any of the field. No, it's not consistency, not discipline. It's more important than that. It's a one level. It's a one level upper than that. Discipline and consistency. Okay. Let's come to the point, that is dedication. People people always say consistency and discipline is very important. I would say dedication is really important when it comes to anything. When it comes to whatever you want to achieve in your life, it all comes to dedication. How you are dedicated towards your work. Let me give you my example. Let me give you my story. uh, uh, when I joined my gym for 6 months, I was really, I was going to the gym. I never skipped gym for 1 year straight, but I was not giving my 100%. Okay, I was not giving my 100%. Like, I was not eating a good diet. I was not training enough. Okay, I was not, my intensity was shit. And I was like, literally, I was not skipping. I was not skipping the legs, but my intensity was really, really low in legs. Okay, especially in legs. And the problem with that, ki, after some time, I started to train under a very dedicated person towards training, and he's been training for last 10 years, and his physique is really, really great. Really great. Big shoulder, big chest, abs, bro, back, and his legs are really, really gorgeous, man. When I started to train with him, suddenly I started to become like him. Okay, he's really dedicated towards his work, towards his gym. He never skips. I In my 2.5 years of gym journey, I never saw him skip gym. Very, very few days he skipped the gym, but I never saw him skipping the gym. Okay, so he's really dedicated towards his work. Really, really, really dedicated towards his work. And slowly I also become started to become like him, becoming like him. I also started to become very dedicated person. And like, after some time now, I become really, really dedicated. I'm now, today also, I'm really dedicated towards my workout. I'm making video, and after making video, I will go to gym and train my legs hard, very, very hard. Okay, so what I want to tell you, that after, in my 2.5 years of gym journey, I would say only one thing. If I want to summarize all the experiences and give only one advice, that would be dedication towards your work. No, it's not consistency, not discipline. The discipline, consistency is level 1, and level 2 is dedication. If you are not dedicated enough towards your work, whatever it can be gym, it can be your content creation, it can be anything. If you're not dedicated towards it, I would say you will never able to achieve the goal that you want to, because you are not dedicated towards it. It's not consistency, not discipline. People always says on reels on YouTube that consistency matters a lot, discipline matters a lot, but I would say dedication matters a lot. If you are really dedicated towards your work, and I would say, no matter what, you will build consistency. No matter what, you will build discipline. It's like a byproduct. Okay, it's a byproduct. Discipline and consistency is byproduct of dedication. If you're dedicated towards anything, in byproduct, you will become very consistent. You will become very disciplined guy, and people will respect you a lot. Okay, and you will achieve something in your life. Okay, obviously, because you are dedicated towards your work, you are never skipping, and you also really enjoy doing that thing. So what I want to say you, that guys, be dedicated towards your work. Really, really dedicated toward work, toward become really dedicated towards your work. That's really important. Really, really important. Don't be that guy who just chasing discipline and consistency. Discipline and consistency is the byproduct of dedication. If you are dedicated enough, छक मारा के डिसिप्लिन एंड कंसिस्टेंसी तुम्हारी बनेगी, 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 एंड बनकर ही रहेगी. दैट इज माई गारंटी. ओके, दैट इज माई गारंटी. एक होता है ना अपने एक अंदर एक आवाज़ होती है. देर इज अ वॉइस इन साइड आवर हेड दैट कॉन्स्टेंटली टेलिंग, नो ब्रो, वी हैव टू डू इट, वी हैव टू डू इट, वी हैव टू डू इट, जस्ट गेट अप एंड जस्ट डू योर वर्क, डोंट स्किप द जिम, वट एवर it happens, just happens. Okay, just do it, just go to the gym, just give your 100%, no weights drop, no weight dropping, and just give your 100%. जो weight मार रहा है वही weight मार, and बस अपना 100% एकदम मर जा, भले ही मर जाएगा. There is a constantly voice that is going inside your mind. there is a voice that is constantly giving you motivation, or I would say not motivation, but it is constantly, तुमको उठा रही है वो चीज़. It is constantly just making you up whatever. मेरे को पता नहीं क्या बोलते इंग्लिश में, बट उसको तुम वो अगर वो गिर जाओगे ना तो कॉन्स्टेंट तुमको उठाती है. इट्स लाइक तुम्हारे तुम गिर गए हो एंड तुम्हारा रोड पे तुम गिर जाते हो गाड़ी चलाते चलाते ना, आसपास के लोग तुम्हें उठाने आते, ना चाहते हुए भी उठाने ही तुम्हें आते ही आते हैं. तो वैसे ही होती, तुम गिर जाते हो, ये चीज़ आ जाती है. इट जस्ट comes to you and just tell you, bro, no, we don't have to give up. Whatever it happens, it happens. No matter what, we don't have to give up. We have to do, we have to show up each and every day, and we have to do no matter what. And see, I'm also not giving up. My English is really trash. I would say my English is really really trash, but still I'm showing up each and every day. There is a voice inside my head that is constantly telling me that no matter what, bro, we will learn English one day, and we will become fluent in English one day. We will speak like a very pro communicator one day. But we have to do it. We have to do it. We have to do each and every day. We have to become dedicated towards our work. So I've been posting from last 31 days, okay, English content, English speaking content, okay. Last 'I've been posting since last 32 days, 30 or 31 days, okay. I'm not giving up on this. No matter what, I know my English is not that good, not that good. I'm really really shuttering in when I speak in English, but I would say after some time I will really become pro communicator.